Hey, dude, today we've got Nature here. They're here with a song called Girls. I know there was some controversy with this where it's like the music video was like too violent or some shit for public broadcasting, so I'm very excited for I'm really hoping that this is like the uncensored version, I guess. With that, let's get straight into it. Let's begin. All right. Oh, right, yeah, so some violent, bloody, something like that. Here we go. Okay, that's actually, hold on, dude. I'm already feeling like unsettled from this dude. Like that, bro. I don't know, that blur on her right now, dude. That's actually legitimately like unsettling. Makes me very uncomfortable. I am loving it so far, dude. Let's get. Woo! Oh! Okay. This group. The amount of variability that this group has, dude. This kind of sound unlike any other thing they've released. Hello? Like for a song being called Girls, I thought it'd be like, you know, poppy, peppy, like I'm so pretty, you feel me, like that. Damn. Whoa, hold on. I'm loving the setting, bro. Look at, like, I think all that is hair, right? But like, it has like that kind of feeling of like the blood with the two, dude. Genius, loving it. I'm loving it, dude. These sets, man, these scenes, top notch. Why are these bathtubs so disgusting, though, man? So I'm not a fan of it. It's so grainy, dude. It looks like someone who is like camping for like a month, just like washed all the dirt off, but like didn't actually rinse off the tub at all. You feel me? Disgusting. Oh man, they're really good so far at making things like just not nice to look at. But besides the visuals for them, still okay. She was feeling herself, bro. Oh, yo, I can't wait for the dance covers for this dude. Like the group dance covers, I know whoever has Sohee's parts, they're gonna eat that, dude. So are they supposed to be like like ghosts here? Like this is just hilarious to me, man. For it's a little goofy for me. I like it though. Go off, hold on. Yo. Oh, have you ever heard such emotion from a ninja song? I don't think you have, bro. I never have. Mark. Bro, this is art, man. Straight up. Oh, that soundtrack, it felt almost like the melancholy feeling I got from that, dude. Like it's the feeling of someone who's like falling to their death into the ocean, some shit. That's the energy I got from that, dude. Wow. Oh, spicy, exotic, sensual. Okay. You see, you know, body rolls are almost like a staple in K-pop, right? But have you ever seen a body roll like that though? Like, it's like that was like it was like body roll, but like only from like this and up. Crazy, dude. And so some of the finger thing too. I don't even know, man. So, hold on, what happened there? Oh. Who taught them to be slapping like this, dude? Hello? See that bottle right there. Hyper. Oh, they. Hold on. One more time. Go off, bro. Come on. You can't say you're not hooked after that, dude. I'm sold. Hot like chili. Really. Lyrical genius, dude. Like I'm fully expecting anyone who stands nature to have that exact line in their Twitter bio. All right, it's too good. Yeah, also, I'm not understanding anything at all for what this music video is, but I'm just enjoying the ride, dude. It is what it is. It's so like everything just seems so slow and so like blank. I know that's the whole intention, and dude, like for whatever they're trying to do, dude, I don't know what it is, but it seems like they're nailing it, man. That's what I'm saying. Is that cherry or is that's a gross ass cherry, dude? Yo, hold on. Okay, I think I finally understand what the feeling is, dude. It's that K-drama OST, dude. It's that historic K-drama OST from like episode 3. That's the feeling I'm getting right now. That's it. Like it's like the Goblin soundtrack. That's the immediate. I haven't even seen Goblin, but I know there's some OST in Goblin that sounds just like that part. Oh, what? Wait, what happened here? Okay, never mind. They're just sitting. Seriously, like I really did not expect this group to be putting out this kind of mature ass sound, man. Like this is the kind of song that you hear like those groups that are like 5, 7 years old, like the groups that like have had this kind of concept from the start. You feel me? Loving the choreo, bro. Fresh. Oh my. The sensuality is staggering, man. I can do the nose, but it's about to just pour out, man. And then they chill. Yeah, hey, no. I'm sorry. What is that? She full on. That's the full on chokehold right there. Excuse me. What's up? Bro, I know none of y'all were expecting this dance break to come out, man. For how smooth and like deep, almost like wistful it was feeling. This almost out of nowhere, dude. I love it though. Yo. All these. I'm loving everything that they're doing so far with this music video, dude. For all these cuts, all these scene changes, man. Just it's a whole. Like I feel like I need like analyze every scene that just flashed before my eyes, dude. Well, Aurora to be saying that while she's wearing a blindfold. Just realize that. I'm so. You what, bro? No, that's the. This is illegal. This is illegal, man. You cannot. You can't be doing this to us. Hello, There's no wonder this video already has over 1 million views. Oh my. Bro, Saebom, you apple of my eye. You, God is gorgeous, beautiful. I love her. The better flowers too. I don't know. Just. Oh, did I miss the line? The highlight chili. Okay, to go full stop. Okay, I think I'm starting to understand why this is banned from broadcast. Okay. Chili. There we go. Dude, this group is so cool, man. They're so cool. This nature, like, I'm telling, there's, like, it's so easy to love this group, man. For all the content they're bringing, all these comebacks, dude. This whole this new ass concept, dude. This group is so, dude. Honestly, they're the coolest. They're the coolest K-pop band, dude. I'm telling you this. If you're not a fan of nature at this point, man, you're wrong, dude. At this point, it's like you are a fan of nature, but you're suppressing those feelings deep down inside. This group slaps. This group is sick as hell, dude. That's all I gotta say, man. Alright, so thanks for watching. Let me know what's up, nature's girls in this video. Thanks for watching. Once again, like this video. If you like, subscribe to me for more videos, more reactions, more overreactions. This is really what this is. And make sure to follow my Twitch too at TINFAWN. That's where you can talk to me about anything K-pop related, or just talk to me anything while I'm streaming. I stream every, I mean, right now it's every day. I should probably change that up top there, but it's good to be here for another nature video. It's good to be here for another video on my channel, and hopefully I'll see you in this video. All right, let's love.